This project is going to help solve Wisconsin's missing middle housing crisis.
It's not like the old days where you had double wide trailers and stuff like this. You can't compare these style homes to a trailer house. These are real homes.
I'd like to welcome you to this wonderful housing project in Hillsboro, Wisconsin that's going to feature 10 cross-mod homes, which are the first cross-mod homes built in the state of Wisconsin. And we're very proud of this project, and we're very proud of Habitat for Humanity for all the hard work they've put into making families be homeowners.
We talk at WIDA a lot about how can we create more housing, because it's hard, right? So we're rolling out a pilot, and it is being announced today. It's going to be called Raising Roofs. We're going to do a $1.5 million line of credit.
So Habitat for Humanity is an organization that is predicated on building safe and affordable homes for families. And over the last few years, the cost of housing has risen astronomically. We're not immune to the increased cost of housing. And so at a time when housing is unattainable, unaffordable for people in our community, Habitat should be stepping up. And I've been working with factory-built housing for many years and started working with some of our national partners that we had here today. So Next Step Network, Clayton.
So we're here today in Hillsboro, Wisconsin. This is a project, a collaboration with the Habitat of Greater La Crosse. A fantastic partnership. They're bringing 10 attainable cross-mod homes to a rural area of Wisconsin. So cross-mod homes, that is an industry term. These homes are modern manufactured homes built to a higher standard. They've got finished drywall, they're put on permanent foundations, hardwood cabinets, they're energy efficient, and then they've got some on-site features such as garages, site-built porches.
And so we were able to start looking at that as an opportunity. And then the City of Hillsboro, a very rural community here in Wisconsin, was interested in providing attainable housing for its residents, and we thought this would be an excellent opportunity to bring those two things together.
You know, it's one of the joys of my life to watch a new homeowner walk into their home and achieve the American dream. Next Step's mission is sustainable homeownership. We work with the manufactured housing industry to always be what I say is the North Star, demonstrating high quality, ultra energy efficiency in communities across the nation. So Next Step has a mission, it's sustainable homeownership, and that's why we do this work across the country.
This Habitat home that I just took a tour of is so impressive. It's beautiful construction, great materials. I think it's safe to say it doesn't feel like a manufactured home of, what I thought of, at least in my youth and my younger days. So it's a beautiful home. The thing that I love the most is that these are going to be affordable. I think that's a pretty beautiful thing given how much housing is needed in this community and around the state.
These homes are going to be affordable for the school teacher, the quick trip employee, anyone who lives in a community is going to be able to afford a home that couldn't be purchased in any other fashion.
I'm glad that this event's happening. It gets out to the public that these type of developments will work, and they are good for communities.
Every person I've talked to going through the house was just thrilled with the bedrooms and the size of everything and the quality of the cabinetry and the appliances being included and the beautiful basement that could be built out at a later date as people can afford it.
But perhaps the most memorable for me was meeting the homeowners, hearing their stories.
And so I love being able to see the future Habitat homeowners walk through these homes for the first time and really, truly get excited about living in these homes because they're gorgeous. So to see all the partners here, but then also to just hear everybody's reaction to these homes, it really just solidified, the things that we are doing here at Habitat, the things that we are doing in partnership with the City of Hillsboro is very meaningful and will have a really important impact, not just on the families, but on the community as well.